This is the Google Nest Wi-Fi, designed to provide your home with reliable coverage. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I've tested numerous other Wi-Fi routers in the past. In this video, I'll share everything you need to know about it and how it compares with the other popular routers. I found the setup process to be incredibly simple. Just plug in the router, download the Google Home app on your smartphone, and follow the on-screen instructions. Using it is just as easy as setting it up. The app lets you manage your network, set up guest Wi-Fi, prioritize devices, check connection speeds, and more, all from your phone with just a few taps. I really like the overall design of this router. It has a minimalist, modern look that blends seamlessly into any space. It's not bulky at all, measuring approximately 4 inches in length, width, and height. Its compact size also makes it feel very lightweight. The Wi-Fi performance of this device has genuinely impressed me. It works behind the scenes to minimize buffering in every room, offering coverage of up to 2,200 square feet and delivering a strong internet connection in all directions. Now, there are products like Google Wi-Fi routers that come in a pack of 3, covering up to 4,500 square feet, but only if all units are plugged in. Personally, I prefer the Nest Wi-Fi because it provides extensive coverage while still being a single, easy-to-manage device. It completely eliminated dead zones in my home. I can stream 4K videos in one room while making demanding video calls in another without any issues. Perfect for streamers and gamers alike. Plus, managing my network has never been easier. With my phone, I can share Wi-Fi with friends, adjust parental controls, and more, all with just a few taps. This is one of the most convenient Wi-Fi routers I've ever used. It offers a wide range of impressive features, a user-friendly app, and reliable, strong internet coverage in every corner of my home. If you're looking for a new Wi-Fi router, then I highly recommend the Google Nest Wi-Fi.